Hello guys, a very good morning to everyone and happy Thursday. And excuse my face, actually I just now it's 9 o'clock and my daughter doesn't have a class today, Thursday, because the class advisor is he's organizing online Zoom meeting one-on-one to the parent of the child, which under him. So now my daughter's just completed the first quarter of the year, and she also completed the first periodic exam. And on July and August there will be a summer break. So normally they will do this they call it open house, but since because due to pandemic we cannot just go to the school and talk personal to the teacher. So instead, we will have a Zoom meeting. So each parent has their designated time to talk to the teacher. So normally they will organize this meeting just to give a heads up to the parents, which the progress of their child in the class, and the grading system also they will explain to them, and what is need to be improved, and what is the child good at, so something like that. So well, anyway, for Isabella, I'm very very happy with the result. I was so pleased, and all our studying habits in the evening after school, all those things has paid off. I mean, she's really doing good in the class. So I'm happy for it. And I saw her periodic test result. It's most of the exams she got perfect. And in the math, she gets only two mistakes, and the rest of the subjects she gets perfect. So only math she have some mistakes. And of course for English, because my daughter started learning some spellings, there are some spellings that she still doesn't uh, write it correctly. Some are just, there are some missing letters, missing E, missing N, but that was understandable. That was okay with the teacher. So later on she will get used, later on she will learn for that the proper spelling. But anyway, when the teacher has given, actually they always have this spelling exam also. She has the spelling exam, but she got it all perfect. I mean, she got all the correct spelling. It was quite difficult, but she get it correct. So they have that spelling exam as well. So as you can see now, guys, she is I'm here now. So he's here, Isabella's teacher. Okay, as you can see, he's letting me in now. So wait, so you can see. Okay, I put it on volume. Yeah. Hi, sir. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm very good.
You're Isabella's mom, right?
Yes, I'm Isabella's mom.
Nice meeting you. Okay, let me share my screen with you so you can see the podcast.
Yeah.
కాల్ మాట్లాడు
Yes, I see.
Yeah. So,
Hello.
Kritika, can you just for a minute, please?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you. Leave the,
Be-
yeah. Leave for a
Yeah.
minute. I will
Yeah. Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, can you quit this meeting for a minute? I finish with another parent and I will invite you back.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay, so you can see the subject.
Yes.
Arabic, moral and social and cultural studies, English, math, general science, Indian social studies, and French.
Yes.
Her level is between proficient and exemplary, which is really, really good.
Okay.
Okay. Can I go to the next one?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So basically, a proficient and exemplary is her level is between 71 and 100.
Okay.
So yeah, proficient is when she's her level is higher than the expectation for her age. I mean, she's advanced from what it is really expected to be in her age.
Okay.
And she works really hard. She has good understanding of her studies. She understands her subjects, her tasks, and she works really well in class, individually and in her group. Yeah, so I was telling you that her level is above expectation, means she works really hard, she has good understanding of her studies, and she participates well in class.
Okay. That's in proficient, right?
Yes, that's proficient, and exemplary is above proficient.
Okay.
Yeah. For her behavior, she's really well behaved in class. She asks permission for everything. She's not disruptive. She's nice to others. She's kind. She's helpful. She's a good child.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah. If you allow me to tell you what she needs to focus in English, so she expectation. So the teacher said that she needs to practice her spelling.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Spelling for everyone at this age.
Yeah, she's sometimes confused with the spelling actually.
Yeah, so that's only spelling that she needs to work on. And for math, she needs to read the questions carefully before answering the questions. That's everyone. They see the question, they think it's very easy, and then they start solving.
Yeah.
And then the teacher needs something else. So, do you have any questions for me?
No, I'm just happy with my Isabella's doing good in the class.
Yes, you should be very proud of her. She's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else?
Yeah, that nothing.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Thanks. Hi guys. So let me show you Isabella's grade. So I'll show you their. I'm gonna log in on the website. Wait. So now we're just going to log in on Isabella's website. I'm going to go to the parents portal because that's where they posted the grade. Excuse me, in the parents portal. My daughter, by the way, guys, studying in GEMS. So we have to go to the parents portal. Okay, so now we have to go to academics, and there's the academic report will be here. So this one is the PDF. This one, this is Bella's report card. Then it will show like this. So I will give you a closer look. Like this. This is the Bella subjects, and this is the what we call this, the remark, the grading. Okay, this is the grading system they have, and this is the teacher's remark for Isabella. And aside from these subjects, there's still more, 4 subjects for non-scholastic. This is the scholastic subjects. And aside from this, for this grading system, okay, they have to base this from this one. Let me show you. This is the one. So exemplary, 81 to 100%. Am I reading it correct? And proficient, Isabella got the grading of this one and the second one, this one, proficient. Proficient means she is advanced on her age for the subject, so she's advanced. And then this one is higher than proficient, and it's starting from here, emerging. Okay, this is for the beginner to develop their knowledge. Students at this level are beginning to develop their knowledge, skill, understanding of curriculum standard. This is for emerging. And developing, this is the one. And approaching, they're in the middle. And proficient, this is for Isabella. She is proficient in English, Arabic, and French. But the Arabic and French is really quite difficult because you have to speak the language and write as well. So she is writing in Arabic and she is writing in French, but she's very good. That is her, that's the second language she's learning. And this one, she's good at this. Math, science, Indian SST, moral education, and UEE SST. She's very, very good. She's on the top. So this is their grading system here. So they have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's their system, reading system. So that was the meeting, guys. Isabella has to, she's doing really good in the class. She's also well behaved, everything. You hear now what the teacher said. And only we have to improve her spelling. Well, anyway, at most of the child at her age, normally the spelling is the problem, but not really bad. There are some words that she couldn't really spell correctly, but we will work on it. And for the math, what the teacher was saying is sometimes when she doesn't read properly the question, okay, and then she just suddenly all answer it directly, and then she realize it was wrong, and then she will do some erasure on the paper and then mix dirty, and then she go to the right answer. So most of the child is like that in the class anyway. So now it was just a quick meeting because I have really nothing to ask in terms of Isabella's school, because I could see the rating is really good, the comments from the teachers are really good, so I'm happy with the result. So that's all for today, guys, and thank you for joining with me, and I hope to see you to my next one. Bye.